Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Prima Donna Deluxe Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump and we did a tune-up, replacing the infuser that you see right here and relubricating the transmission, replacing the O-ring from the generator and descaling the machine, also deep cleaning the grinder as well. And that's all we did to the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Oh. Short coffee in a way because I have a tiny little cup. We also deep clean the spouts to make sure there's no any old coffee in there or anything like that. As you can see, we're having a good water flow coming out of the machine and an excellent color as well. 1 ounce of water, which is perfect for a short coffee. Now we're going to use the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. And now let's do a longer coffee. Probably the machine was too hot because we recently used the hot water. Good water flow coming out of the spouts. And no ground to fine error. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna S Deluxe Espresso machine working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.